All right, real quick, let me break something down that could completely change your wedding DJ business. First of all, do you want to know the secret to attracting premium clients and endless referrals without constantly hustling? It all comes down to one thing most DJs get completely wrong: how they package and price their services. I see this all the time. Most wedding DJs are stuck in this brutal cycle of competing on price. They're slashing their rates just to book gigs, then trying to make up the difference by charging extra for every little thing. It looks like this. Basic package is $800, but you want lighting? That's another $300. Do you need MC services? Add $200. Do you want me to provide the ceremony service as well? It's another $250. And here's what most people don't realize. This approach is destroying both your profit margins and your reputation. I know, because I used to do the exact same thing. Hang on a second. Let me explain why this approach fails so badly. First, it creates wildly inconsistent experiences. Let me say that again. It creates wildly inconsistent experiences. The key word here is inconsistent. Now, what do I mean by this? You see, what I mean by inconsistent, imagine some couples get an amazing night while others get a mediocre one, simply based on what they could afford to add on. Second, it positions you as just another vendor rather than a true professional. You're training clients to see you as just another expense to minimize. And third, and this is the killer, it creates what I call a reputation lottery. Some clients love you while others feel like they got the budget experience. Now that inconsistency absolutely kills your referral business. I've developed what I call outcome-based packaging, where you focus on selling consistent results rather than individual services. If you're ready to stop racing to the bottom with pricing and start building a reputation that attracts premium clients, watch this quick intro, then I'll walk you through exactly how the system works. After performing at hundreds of events, I, DJ Mojo, am sharing the exact strategies that built my six-figure wedding DJ business. If you've been wanting to book more weddings, charge what you're worth, and become the DJ that couples and wedding pros rave about, then stick around. It's time to master your craft, build your business, and create your legacy. Welcome to Wedding DJ Mastery. All right, welcome back. Here's what outcome-based packaging looks like. Instead of offering stripped-down base packages with tons of add-ons, you create a comprehensive experience package that includes everything needed to deliver a consistent and excellent result. You're not selling services anymore. You're selling success. You're selling the outcome. You're selling the experience that you want to create for your client. This is about guaranteeing outcomes, or at least increasing the chances that you are going to create the outcome that not only what you want, but what also your client wants. Now, this isn't to say that you can't have any add-ons whatsoever. You can, but you can standardize the experience in terms of the production, in terms of the quality of service that you're going to bring at every event. It's about knowing that you provide a standardized service that's still customized and personalized to the couple. And you know for a fact that you're not stripping away something that's actually going to be needed to create the wedding outcome that your client wants. Now, why does this approach work so much better? Because in today's world, your reputation is everything. Picture this. Every wedding has dozens of potential future clients watching how you perform. When you deliver consistent excellence, those witnesses become your marketing army. And what do I mean by marketing army? That means that these people who witness your performance and they've experienced you, guess what they're gonna do? They're gonna tell their friends and their family, letting them know that you're the DJ to call. And now think about this. With social media, online reviews, and wedding planning groups, couples are more informed than ever. One underwhelming performance can damage your brand for years. But when you focus on outcomes rather than hourly rates or individual services, you transform how couples see your value. They stop viewing you as just another vendor to negotiate with and start recognizing you as an essential partner in creating their perfect day. This is how you remove the reputation of the budget DJ to the experience creator that premium couples actually want and are looking for, and also appreciate. By packaging all the essential elements into every wedding experience to create the best outcome for your clients, you're building something much more valuable than a service business. You're building a reputation engine. And guess what happens when your reputation is rock solid? You attract better clients who are willing to pay more for your premium service. The psychological shift is powerful. Instead of questioning your price, they'll be questioning why anyone would risk their once-in-a-lifetime celebration with a budget DJ. This isn't just about making more money, it's about transforming how people see your business. Now, just to drive the point home, let me explain this. When you commit to delivering consistent excellence, regardless of package level, you create this kind of like a flywheel effect. Better experiences lead to better reviews. Better reviews lead to better clients. Better clients lead to better referrals. And once that flywheel starts spinning, your business grows almost automatically. The truth is, you can't build a premium wedding DJ business on inconsistent experiences. The top 1% of wedding DJs understand that reputation is built on one perfect event at a time. So let me ask you, are you building a solid reputation with every wedding? Or is your pricing strategy creating a reputation lottery that's holding you back?